Shenzhen Smacat Electronic Technology Company Limited, a professional manufacturer of wireless chargers, wireless charging power bank, and wireless charging Bluetooth speakers, provides one-stop solutions in researching, developing, manufacturing, quality control, marketing, and service of wireless charging products. Founded in 2013 and headquartered in Shenzhen, China. Passed ISO 9001-2015. As a manufacturer specializes in this field for 6 years, we are very experienced and professional in OEM, ODM. All of our products have design patents, strictly complied with WPC standards, and approved CE, FCC, RoHS. Moreover, safety certificate covered UL, CB, PSE, KC, EAC, BIS, BSCI, when required by customers. Now we've set up strategic partnership of cooperation with some top-ranked brands, such as iHome, Ozaki, Depa, Walmart, Hare, Sanyo. Looking ahead, aiming to become a first-class international enterprise, each achievement of Smacat is the pursued progress of scientific and technological, which makes you feel the creativity and intentions of our products at any time. With well-trained production technicians, experienced R&D engineers, advanced development equipment, and comprehensive test facilities, we'll always stick to our development philosophy of providing excellent products and services to consumers all over the world. Welcome your visiting, try our order, and any custom requirements.